Hi again everyone, welcome to this lesson called Books of First Entry. In this lesson we'll be looking at all the books of first entry. One of the books of first entry is the cash book. All receipts, checks or electronic transfers are processed in the cash book. The cash book has two sides, a debit and a credit side. All incoming payments will come on the debit side and all outgoing payments will come on the credit side. Cash books will be covered more in detail in a later lesson. Then we get the petty cash book. All small cash receipts are processed in the petty cash book. These are small items such as stationery, envelopes, water refill, all small items of the business. Then we get the sales journal. All credit sales are processed in the sales journal. That means when someone buys on credit, then that transaction is not posted in the cash book, but it's posted in the sales journal because there are no cash in this transaction. Then you get the sales returns journal. Now all credit returns are processed in the sales returns journal. Now let's make an example. If someone buys on credit, then that transaction is processed in the sales journal. But now when that same person returns the goods that it bought on credit, then it should be processed in the sales returns journal. Then we also get the purchases journal, and just like in the sales journal, a purchases journal records all credit purchases. Again, no cash is involved in these transactions. Then the purchases returns journal, just like in the sales returns journal, a purchases returns journal records all credit purchases. So that means if we buy something on credit, it's processed in the purchases journal. But when we return items that we are unsatisfied with, then we process it in the purchases returns journal. And then lastly we get the general journal. Now all transactions that cannot be processed in the cash book, petty cash, sales journal and the rest is processed in the general journal. Items such as when an owner invests equipment into the business or when an owner withdraws goods from a business. These unusual items are processed in the general journal. Each of these books of first entry will be covered more in detail in later lessons. Thank you all for watching. For more of these lessons, you can check out our website at www.beatagmath.com. See you next time.